Nigeria, the most populous country in Africa, has witnessed significant growth and development in its manufacturing sector over the years. Today, we will take a closer look at the top 5 manufacturing businesses in Nigeria and explore their contributions to the nation's economic landscape. First up, we have the Dangote Group, founded by Aliko Dangote. This diversified conglomerate is a giant in the Nigerian business scene. With interests spanning cement production, sugar refining, salt processing, flour milling, and more, the Dangote Group has significantly contributed to Nigeria's economic growth. Next, we have the Inisan Vehicle Manufacturing Company. Founded by Innocent Chukwuma, this company stands as a testament to Nigeria's capability to produce automobiles locally. As the first indigenous automaker in the country, Inisan has made substantial contributions to the automotive industry, manufacturing a diverse range of vehicles. Moving on, we have Nestle Nigeria plc, a subsidiary of the global food and beverage giant Nestle SA. This company has played a pivotal role in the Nigerian market, producing and distributing a wide array of consumer goods, ranging from food products to beverages. Another key player is Unilever Nigeria plc, a subsidiary of the multinational consumer goods company Unilever. With a diverse portfolio of products spanning food, personal care, and home care, Unilever has been instrumental in meeting the daily needs of Nigerian consumers. Lastly, we have Proctor Gamble Nigeria, a global consumer goods giant. With a strong presence in Nigeria, this company is involved in the production and distribution of a wide range of household and personal care products, contributing to the country's fast-moving consumer goods sector. These top 5 manufacturing businesses, along with others in the industry, continue to shape the manufacturing sector in Nigeria. Their contributions have been instrumental in driving economic growth and development in the country.